Look at this. This is the definition of kingship. Let's walk around. Let's walk around. Look at this, man. Look at this.
Look, the horse behind you.
It's okay. It's okay, man. Look at this, man. This is the definition of kingship. This definition of kingship. You know, back in the days, Africa, we did not have cars, we did not have electric vehicles, but we had horses. This is what we had before. You know what I'm saying? It's right here. Yeah, man. It's right here.
Kota kasulat. Feresa le koala kasulat.
I am crying. I am emotional right now. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I am from Tanzania, Africa.
All right. Let's go.
Oh.